Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials so you don't get stuck mid-process. Make sure the phone has more than 50% battery and is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, verify a Samsung account is signed in and that Find My Mobile was enabled previously. This lets you unlock remotely. If that's not available, prepare a PC and the original USB cable to perform a smart switch backup or a recovery reset. Once ready, proceed to the remote unlock step or recovery options. You now attempt the fastest method, Samsung's remote unlock, on a laptop or another phone. Sign into Find My Mobile. Samsung. Com with the exact Samsung account tied to the locked device. Once you see the device listed, choose Unlock and confirm the action. Samsung will remove the lock screen remotely if the phone is online and permissions are intact. If the unlock does not complete, take note of the device IMEI and serial for support, and then move on to recovery mode, reset as the fallback option. When remote unlock isn't possible, perform a factory reset from recovery. Power off the phone, then hold the model-specific keys, commonly volume up plus power plus Bixby or volume up plus power, to enter recovery. Use volume keys to select wipe data/factory reset and confirm with power. After reboot, you'll need the original Samsung or Google account to pass factory reset protection. This is why noting credentials earlier matters. Troubleshooting tip. If you hit FRP lock, restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.